Welcome to our heat map tutorial series. Let's take a look at the attention heat map in Mouselo and different things you can do with it. In Mouselo, click on heat maps and then click on attention. Once there, pick a page where you want to start your analysis on and then click on the little eye icon. That will open up the attention heat map. Now, you have the same controls as you had on the previous types of heat maps, like the drop-down menu with the pages so that you can easily scroll through different pages as you're reviewing attention heat maps or any other heat map for that matter, and the search bar in case you know the URL by heart to the page that you want to go to. You also have the amount of views and the opacity control. Like the scroll heat map, we don't have clicks or intensity controls for this one. You have the drop-down menu to go through the different types of heat maps, as well as the drop-down menu for the different type of devices. The date picker remains on the top right-hand corner. Now, the attention heat map, what it's going to tell you is which sections of the page have drawn your visitors the most. Now, you can see in this blog post that some of them were stuck right after the preview image. Maybe it's because there was this little podcast. And as you continue scrolling through, you're going to see how the different hues of the heat map change. And if you change the opacity, that could become a little bit more apparent. So for example, here, there is a section that it's bright red, which means that people are paying attention to this section on the page. What you can do is run an analysis and hypothesize, what do you think is drawing people's attention the most from this section? We can improve some sections to be like this one. Or in this case, maybe you want to add a banner or a CTA on this section so that they can continue or you can take them further into the journey, because that's one of the sections where people are spending most of the time. Keep scrolling through and you will continue to discover what are the different sections or themes or topics that are drawing your visitors' attention the most, and try to replicate those learnings into other pages. For example, as you can see, some sections here are quite important, but not a lot of people are interacting or spending time on it. Maybe you ought to change the format of the text and include bullet points. That's always a nice idea to get people's attention again as they go through long articles like this one. We'll look at the live heat map as well as the geo heat map next.